College Algebra, topic 2.5. Okay, we'll be solving inequalities and absolute values. Now here, we have the absolute value on the left side, and the inequality is a less than. When we have the inequality on the left side and a less than sign, the process is this. We write the problem as is, 2/3 x minus 5 less than or equal to 3, without the absolute values. Then on the other side, because this is a less than sign, we put another less than sign on the other side and put a negative 3. And we solve it from this direction, or from this form. So here, we'll add 5 to all three sides. We'll get 2 less than or equal to 2/3 x less than or equal to 8. From here, we'll multiply everything by the LCD, which is 3. So 3 times 2 makes 6. 3 times 2 is 6, divided by 3 is 2x. And then 3 times 8 is 24. Now divide everything by 2 here, here, and here. We end up getting 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12. Now, the graphic for this would be a line segment closed at both ends at 3 and 12. And the interval notation for this will be a bracket 3, 12 bracket. Now for number 8. Number 8, we have our absolute value sign on the left, and now we're dealing with a greater than or equal to. When we have this situation with a greater than or equal to, we split this into two pieces, a left side and a right side. So on the right side, we're going to write everything as is. That'll be a 2/3 x minus 5 less than 3. On the left side, we're going to write everything 2/3 x minus 5 here as is on that side. But we're going to change the sign to a less than or equal to, and this to a negative 3. And then we solve separately. Okay, so let's go with the right side first. On the right side, I add 5 to both sides. We get 2/3 x minus 5. Sorry, 2/3 x. That line is incorrect. 2/3 x greater than or equal to 8. I multiply everything by 3, which is the LCD, and I get 2x is greater than 24. Divide everything by 2, we get x is greater than or equal to 12. Okay, now for this side. Add 5 to both sides. I end up with 2/3 x is less than or equal to 2. Multiply both sides by the LCD, which is 3. We get 2x is less than or equal to 6. Divide everything by 2, we get x is less than or equal to 3. Alright, now let's take a look at these two answers here. X is greater than 12. As a line segment, it goes this way to the right, and it's closed at 12. For x is less than 3, okay, that's a line here, not a line segment, a line going to the left, closed at 3 here. So it looks like the number line that's broken here between 3 and 12. Now, as a let's see, interval notation, this will be negative infinity to 3 closed bracket with a union sign here, bracket at 12 to positive infinity. Okay, now let's look at one more problem. This one will have the same nature as number 8. It'll have a greater than sign. So number 9, we have the absolute value of 2/5 x plus 4, and then this is greater than 2. So again, because the absolute value is on the left and we have a greater than sign, this splits up into two pieces, a left and right. The right side will be 2/5 x plus 4 greater than 2, whereas the left side will be 2/5 x plus 4 less than negative 2. So let's solve from this side. Subtract 4 from both sides. We get 2/5 x and greater than negative 2. So here I'm going to multiply everything by the LCD, which is a 5. We'll get 2x is greater than negative 10. And from here I'm going to divide everything by 2. And I get x is greater than a negative 5. All right, here I'm going to solve for x again. So minus 4 minus 4. We get 2/5 x is less than negative 6. I'll multiply everything by the LCD, which is 5 in this case. This will give us 2x is less than negative 30. Now dividing everything by 2, we get x is less than negative 15. Okay, so the line segment for this side will be open at negative 5 and going to the right. The line segment for this side, or the line for this side, is open at negative 15 and going to the right, or going to the left, sorry, going to the left. Now, the interval notation is negative infinity to negative 15 with a parentheses representing that the negative 15 is not included. Union, open parenthesis at negative 5 to positive infinity for this one.